woza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly yazi wengane zakwethu ngilongezwa abantu beda bezenza abantu as if balaba khona ngenxa yabo ngemisebenzi yabo. Okay, bona they had a plan ukuthi vele bazoropa kuma elections, but unfortunately for them kwase kuthi ubaba uMsholozi ngoba wayeyishilo lento before, but thina ke simlandela siyakwazi lokho, sasimlalela siyakwazi wakusho lokho. So that's why uthe ubaba uMsholozi mayisenza iMK saxhuma sahlala sangabuza into eningi, because we understood ukuthi there is a plan behind the scenes that they are trying to come up with ukuthi bazosiropa ngeda uyabo. So bafuna ukuthi kube nama political parties amaningi, then bese kuba nama coalition, and then eventually iDA yona is the only party that will grow, the rest of ama parties will die, and then iDA ikhuphuke so that kuzoba yiyo elida lama coalition uyabo. So manje njengoba ubaba uNxamalala setheli iMK sebenze ngathi iMK is not a factor kule GNU, kanti iMK kahle kahle yi factor kule GNU. iMK yiye cause ukuthi njengamanje sibe ne GNU angithi. Kodwa ngize ngezwe abanye abantu bethi yabona lento yenziwa iDA ukuthi iDA isilwele kanje ngendlela esilwela ngayo against ANC, because ANC ibiyithathela inqumo ngokuthanda kwayo, manje iDA iyayivimba. So siyabonga na next time so ivotela iDA. Ngahleka kancane ngathi basho ngoba bayazi ukuthi vele nathi ANC asisayifuni. Kodwa nje uma ngathi we want to spite them, we vote for the ANC because the ANC lost 17%, of which 14% ehamba neMK, if not 15% wahamba neMK uyabo. So uma singabuya sonke sithi mbozi sithi sivotela iANC, bazowathatha apha ama blue light, bazoyithatha lento abayisho njengamanje ukuthi iDA is making the ANC. iDA is doing what it's been doing for years, iMK ingakabikho selokhu iyenza lento, but bekufana nokuthi iyadlala ngoba ekugcineni ANC had numbers to defeat iDA. So manje sebenze ngathi iMK njengoba bethi iMK is doomsday, bayilahlela le engathi iMK ayikho important, kanti iMK yiyesilethele this thing lesiyo njengamanje, this predicament that the GNU finds itself in, ukuthi iANC mayithi siyale iDA ithi siyale iDA iyavimba ngapha ANC. Yabona nje this thing eyenzakalayo because iMK bebekhona bonke labantu abakhona EFF even before, but kwafika iMK yazokhoza lento ekhona. So manje uma ngabe bona bezothi bapraise iDA, bayipraisela ukuthi iDA idlala irole enkulu eSouth Africa without ukupraise iMK, singavele sibaphoxe nje, vele simobilize bethi babheke ukuthi siyovotela iMK, vele si abandon iMK, sifaka amavote ethu kulokhuzana kuANC, ibuyele back to 50+1 ANC, ibanyise futhi sibabonisa ukuthi they need to give credit where credit is due. Ukuthi uZuma yamzonda, it does not change the fact ukuthi he is a big player in South African politics today. He is a big player in making sure that ANC gets 40% in the last elections. So now if you want to praise, you praise people who did nothing. iDA yenzeni iDA? What did they do? Nothing. Who played a role in making sure that ANC is reduced to 40%? Jacob Zuma. So abantu, they must give credit where credit is due and stop this thing here, hatred, just because we hate him and then we are not going to say he is the reason why we are in government today. iDA must acknowledge ubaba uMsholozi they have blue lights today because of yena.